Working with other public agencies, community organizations, and community and faith leaders, we have collectively brought over $200 million in new federal stimulus grants for Oakland residents and community.
One of our most significant areas of focus over the last several years in the city of Oakland has been the opportunity to deliver on the connector between the Oakland Coliseum BART station and the Oakland International Airport. There have been a number of important players in delivering the Oakland Airport connector, but I would have to say that none has been a more important leader and advocate than Mayor Dellums, and the partnership with the city is critical to continuing to make this system all that it can be, and in turn our contributions as BART to helping the city be all that it can be.
I became a victim of domestic violence and I was homeless, and I was referred to the mayor's office, and it was around 5:30, so I wasn't expecting anyone to pick up, and fortunately Isaac Taggarty answered the phone and he referred me to the Henry Robinson program with the City of Oakland, the mayor's office helping me and referring me to these programs. I have achieved a lot of greater goals. I feel much more happy with myself. I'm more stable. I just want to continue succeeding.
We have been very fortunate to collaborate with Get Screened Oakland, the mayor's initiative around knowing your status around HIV. They have been able to partner with us in providing resources to be able to reach out to the Latino community.
And I think having Mayor Dellums involved really kind of highlighted how important it is when you have someone leading from the top, then the rest of the community organizations and community members really see the value in that.
They have given us an entryway to allow for services here at La Clinica to be known not only locally, but also nationally and internationally.
Blue Bottle Coffee faced some challenges before we moved in here. We had a few issues with communication in various city departments trying to move in October. People from the mayor's office, from CEDA, from city council person's office helped arrange meetings. They helped make the communication better. They helped work out compromises that weren't as backbreakingly expensive as they could have been. I think we had 18 employees, something like that. Now we have 105. Our business has maybe close to doubled every single year. You know, having Oakland as a base for our coffee roasting activities, being such great proximity to all our customers has been really great for us.
I got involved with the Cypress Mandela training a month after graduating from high school. I never thought that as a 17-year-old female, especially coming from high school, that I could be working where I work now, doing the things that I do. And now I'm attending classes that correspond with my carpentry. I'm a carpenter apprentice, third period.
I always had a great record, and I made a mistake and I received a felony, so I had to look for employment that helped hire people with felony records. That brought me here to Cypress Mandela. I had to cross-train in a different career field because of that reason. I also went through the re-entry program at the mayor's office, and they made a pathway to finding work. They couldn't actually get you a job, but they provided a pathway.
Teach Tomorrow in Oakland was started as a partnership between Oakland Unified School District and the mayor's office in order to bring teachers who were skilled in working with urban youth together so that they could teach in the Oakland schools.
Mayor Dellums has been an advocate for our program, speaking at numerous events both in Oakland and nationwide, but also advocating for funding. So we were able to receive a $2.1 million grant directly as a result of his intervention in that process.
The mayor and his office saw the need of programs like Libre. So what they did is really worked on getting money to support this program. We are able to have a staff person at the school helping the students every day, checking on them. And they do feel that now they are going to be somebody, and many of them see themselves graduating from high school and going into college.
We actually become positive and we become role models for others, and we grow together as a community instead of falling apart and promoting more violence.
My organization is called Oakland Natives Give Back, and we are in part responsible for bringing the Attend and Achieve Back to School rally to City Hall. My experience working with the mayor's administration was extremely positive. They've really made us feel empowered as community members and made us feel like leadership is ours to take hold of if we are willing to do it.
The ships that dock here supply almost 60% of the pollution that West Oakland has to deal with. We knew we had to have somebody from the community who was really directly affected by the quality of air on the port board, and the mayor almost immediately appointed Margaret Gordon. The implementation of that recommendation has had an impact on the community because it led to what we call the MAQIP, the Maritime Air Quality Improvement Plan. Because the ships are not running on their own power but using shore power, there's now cleaner air in West Oakland because of it.
The City of Oakland, with many departments, including the police department and fire department, and pretty much all of them, they have met with us numerous times and to address the important issues for our community, and especially for the public safety. And not only to addressing it, they are trying to find ways to help us to making sure that the problems that we're facing will be resolved. And especially the needs of bilingual services, always there for us.
My hope for the City of Oakland is that it thrives. And I hope that City Hall remains as open and responsive to my organization as it has been in the last 4 years.
Well, I would like to see the mayor's office and all the rest of the local businesses here in Oakland and the nonprofit organizations to continue working together to help the community and to help the economy.
Because of the leadership from Mayor Dellums, he brought us all together. It's not just like, this community or that community. It's all communities working together.
A leader to me and what he represents is a person that out of their surrounding of darkness, they could bring light, they could encourage others to rise above, and I think that he's done that in his 4 years.
We're hoping that in the future, the partnership with the community, in this case, Spanish-Speaking Cities Foundation, the LIBRE program, continues with the City of Oakland.
The continued economic health, environmental health, social vibrancy of this city, safety of this city are critical goals in the continuing partnership between BART and the City of Oakland.
There's so much potential for people making food and selling food, producing food, selling to the public, selling it wholesale. I feel like that's a real area of potential for the City of Oakland, people making things and selling them.
I think the future of the task forces is important to Oakland. It was just such a pleasure to be involved in it that I can't see why we would want to deny that to future administrations.
This city is not about you or me, it's about all of us.
We're in a challenging situation here in Oakland, but we also have an incredible opportunity and an incredible future.